Hi, good morning students. Standard 9, subject social science, video number 3 and chapter number 13, India, location, geological structure and physiography, first part. Before start today's topic, and today's topic is too interesting, neighbors of India. Generally what happened whenever we spoke this word, neighbors of India, students or you can say people get an idea about the neighboring countries of India, and as usual all will be having the information, but today we will discuss something in interesting way, because today we will discuss about some fact that many people are not knowing about that also. So before start this today's topic, we'll quickly revise about video number 2. In video number 2 we talk about that India has a strategic location. Why India has strategic location? Because first of all, India is located in Southeast Asia. It means India is located in the south side and east side of Asia continent, and it is the last portion of Asia continent also we can say, and through that our country we can reach to the many other countries by the international waterway also. So that is why we can say a strategic importance, or you can say strategic location. Apart from this, we discuss about that if we want to go Europe, so the distance is too far, because we need to take, or you can say cover the entire Africa continent, and then we reach to Europe. But by opening of the Suez Canal in 1869, the distance between India and Europe has reduced up to 7,000 kilometers. It is too huge we can say. Apart from this, Indian Ocean is located in the south of India, or you can say south side of India. But generally what happened, it is think that the name of Indian Ocean is given due to India only, because India is also called subcontinent also, because it has a vast area also. We can reach the African waterway, Suez Canal waterway. These all pass by the India only, even though Canada and USA can be reached through the same waterway via Strait of Malacca and the Pacific Ocean. These all things we have discussed. Even though goods and ideas are exchanged from ancient times, even the Upanishad and stories of Ramayana, Panchatantra, Indian numerical system, decimal system, these all things we have discussed in our second video. Now today's video we have little information. In today's video we have little information to write, but it is most important to you can say understand. So let's explore today's topic, India's neighbor. When we speak this word, I think so that if I speak today India's neighbor, you quickly get some informations in your mind. For example, some of thinking about Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, etc. These are the neighboring countries exactly. But before we explore it, we'll write some important information about it. First of all, first point today's, India holds an important place in South Asia. There are total 29 states, national capital Delhi, and 6 union territories. 29 states and 6 union territories. Some amazing fact, like example, Telangana was created, or you can say formed, Telangana was created as 29th state from its mother state Andhra Pradesh, on 2nd June 2014. You must have to remember that Telangana was the 29th state was created from the mother state Andhra Pradesh, because before that 2014 this Telangana was the part of Andhra Pradesh. Now today we'll discuss about neighbors of India. So we'll write that India has a common land boundary with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest. Right now I will write on the students, but after that we'll show on the map also, and we'll show other amazing international borders, or you can say borders with the state also. So first of all, India has a common land boundary with Pakistan and Afghanistan in northwest, and with China, Nepal, Bhutan in north east, and with Myanmar and Bangladesh, with Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Apart from this, in south also we share the border. So in the south, Sri Lanka and Maldives are our maritime. Look at the word maritime, it means through the waterway neighbors. India and Sri Lanka are separated by India and Sri Lanka are separated by Palk Strait. It's a very small strait, means it's very small narrow way also we can say, and Gulf of Mannar Now Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea, while the Andaman Nicobar Islands are located in Bay of Bengal. So Lakshadweep Island to which side? Arabian Sea. And Andaman Nicobar Island and Andaman Nicobar Islands at Bay of Bengal. Okay, now we will be having one map here. We need to understand these are the neighboring countries. I have given the detail of neighboring countries only. But here we'll having some amazing fact, or you just see that it is in one map here, that India shares its border with Pakistan, Afghanistan. Which side? It is north and it is west. So it is called northwest. This direction it is called northwest. Pakistan and Afghanistan is located at the northwest side of India. Here Nepal, Bhutan, China, these are the located to the northeast side, even though Myanmar and Bangladesh is located exactly east side of India. And here we're having that Sri Lanka and Maldives, these are the maritime neighbors of India. So that discussions we have done, or majoritarily many students are knowing about this also, but today we'll discuss about something different. For example, Pakistan is the neighbor of India, we know that, but Pakistan shares the border of how many states of India? It is an important thing, because generally the peoples are not knowing about that. Yeah, people know about that Pakistan shares the border with Gujarat and Rajasthan, but not only that, many states are there, or you can say many neighboring countries are there who share their border with more than 4 or 3 countries. For example, that we'll discuss here. First of all, Pakistan. So I write here Pakistan, that we will see in the map also after this. First of all we'll discuss Pakistan shares the border with Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab and Jammu Kashmir. It means Pakistan share its border with 1, 2, 3, 4 states. Should write in the bracket 4. Now second one is that Afghanistan only one Jammu and Kashmir. Then third one, China. Now China shares the border with many states. First one is, here I write only one, Jammu and Kashmir. Second, Himachal Pradesh. Next one, Uttarakhand. Then Sikkim. Then Arunachal Pradesh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 states share the border with China. After that we'll take Bhutan. West Bengal. Many students or many people are not knowing about that Bhutan shares its border with West Bengal also, but generally people are not knowing that. West Bengal, Sikkim, that I will show you with the help of map after completing this information. Sikkim, then Assam, then Arunachal Pradesh. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 states share their border with Bhutan. Now, fifth number, Nepal. Nepal shares border with Uttarakhand. Then Uttar Pradesh. Then Bihar. Then West Bengal. Somebody is thinking about that, where the Nepal share its border with the, you can say, West Bengal, but somehow West Bengal share its border with Nepal. That we will see in map also. And Sikkim. Now Nepal share its border with 5 states. Then after, I will mention over here Myanmar. Now Myanmar share its border like Arunachal Pradesh, then Nagaland, then Manipur, then Mizoram, then Bangladesh, 7 number, now Bangladesh shares border with West Bengal, then Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 states share border with Bangladesh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 states share the border with Myanmar. Now you just see that there are total 9 countries who share their border with India. Here we have mentioned 7 because Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is share its border with only Tamil Nadu with the help of Gulf of Mannar on Park Strait. And Maldives is our maritime neighbor, we can say. Okay, now we'll discuss about this. Now I will show you in the map also. You just see that Pakistan shares the border with Gujarat, Rajasthan, then Punjab and Jammu Kashmir. That we have already discussed here. That I will make the visible to you. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab and Jammu Kashmir. Then after Afghanistan, somebody are thinking where Afghanistan is share its border, but very little. You just see here, very little in Jammu Kashmir. Afghanistan share its border with India. Now China share its border with Jammu Kashmir, then Himachal Pradesh, then Uttarakhand and Sikkim. Here Sikkim also it share its border with China, and here Arunachal Pradesh. Now after that Bhutan is located here. It shares its border with first of all West Bengal. Here many people are not knowing about that because West Bengal is here and these states is up to here. Then Bhutan and West Bengal having the borders. Then Sikkim, then Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. These all states are bound with the Bhutan. Then Nepal also, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, then Bihar, West Bengal. One more time, West Bengal is also share its border with the Nepal and Sikkim. Last one, Sikkim is here. Now after that Bangladesh and Myanmar. Now Myanmar is share its border with Arunachal Pradesh. Here you just see that it is in Myanmar. I make a circle. Arunachal Pradesh, then Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. So these are the states who share its border with Myanmar. Now after that Bangladesh. Now Bangladesh is share its border with the 5 states. First one is West Bengal, then Assam, then Meghalaya. You just see here Meghalaya share its border with Bangladesh, then Tripura and Mizoram. So these are the states who share their border. So I hope that you'll get each and every information about today's topic, neighbors of India. Generally students are not knowing about the states. How many states are there who share its border with the neighboring countries? I hope that you will get more information in your worksheet also. Thank you.